guys, today's the big reveal. So I'm gonna give you a little tour of my brand new stamp studio. I'm super excited about it. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move all my stuff from my main floor office up here, and I'm gonna live in it a little while before I start getting new pieces of storage furniture and stuff like that. I've got a few things that I do need to get. Like I want to get some big metal standalone shelving units to put in my closet right back here. I think I can fit 3 fairly large ones in there. Wait till you see it. It's pretty cool. I'm excited. I live in a 120-year-old house. And if any of you have old houses, the storage in them is nil. Like the closets are super small. Bathrooms don't have any storage in them. We actually built a coat closet when we moved in by our back door because we didn't even have that. So it'll be a fun tour, and I can't hardly wait to show you my new space. And at some point, I will again do another tour with you and start showing you what it looks like when I'm living in it and adding to it with new pieces. So hang tight, we'll flip this around. Okay, here it is in all its glory. I'm coming in the door. It's really bright here in Menasha, Wisconsin today. So I'm gonna go all the way to the end here. This wall right here is the exact same wall and window as I have downstairs in my office. So that's what we're looking at to start with. And this door is gonna go bye-bye. We're gonna have all the doors replaced at once, so we didn't have that done right now. But let me walk back over here. And this is my room. It doesn't look as big on this video, I don't think, but there's my glorious barn door. Oh my gosh, that's my monster. That's my big paper cutter that I do my classes with. And then we've also got 6 can lights. Let me turn them on. 6 can lights in here, so it's gonna be really super bright. And then my guy Fred, he put in this really cool dimmer, so you can dim these a little lower because this isn't gonna be an office when we move out of here, I'm sure, right? So, oh, and this little flaw, that'll get covered up by molding. Don't worry about it. I was a little concerned. I'm a little picky. I don't know if you guys know that about me. So here's my glorious barn door. I absolutely love it. What? It just slides right open there. Can you guys tell I'm a little excited? And here is my ginormous closet. So this is probably gonna be a master bedroom after we move out. And I keep saying that, we're not moving out for like 3 years. But Haley and Jared plan to buy our house. They wanna keep the pool in the family. So that's kind of fun, right? And so I've got a can light in here. I've got an electrical outlet. I think I'm actually going to set my photo booth up right here on this wall and plug it in here so that I can keep it uncluttered, because what happens is I just keep piling a bunch of junk in it and then it's a hassle to use it each time. But here is my great big room, and you can see Fred is my outlet hero. He's my outlet cowboy. Look at all the outlets. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's my cable TV daily whopper. So there you go, you guys. I can't hardly wait to start filling this thing up. As my husband says, how long is it gonna take you to junk it up? He needs to mind his own business, right? Okay, there you go. I will show you my progress as I start getting stuff in here.